If you're sailing on Disney Cruise Line for the first time, or you're thinking of booking a different stateroom category, you might be wondering what a Deluxe Family Oceanview Stateroom actually looks like. Well, keep watching as we take you on a full room tour. As you enter your room, you'll find all the emergency information on the back of the door, including your emergency station for the mandatory safety drill. If you're travelling with small children, these magnetic doors are heavy and harder for little ones to open on their own. We also recommend bringing a few magnetic hooks to hang your key to the world lanyard so you don't forget them. They're your room key, onboard ID and payment method throughout the cruise. Each stateroom has adjustable air conditioning and you'll need a card to activate the lights. We recommend using an old loyalty or library card instead of your key to the world card so you don't accidentally leave it behind in your room. The bathroom is split into two separate areas, which is really handy, especially for families. Before you head in, just be aware there is a small step up into both bathrooms, so take care. On the back of the door you'll find a full-length mirror that's perfect for getting ready and doing a final outfit check. There are towel rails too, and while I'll be honest, Disney Cruise Line towels aren't the biggest or the softest, they definitely get the job done. You'll also find a bin, tissues, plenty of storage for your toiletries and complimentary Disney toiletries. Just remember that these can't be removed from the ship. There's another mirror and handy black makeup remover flannel to help prevent white towels from getting stained. If you need any extras, just ask your stateroom host, they're always happy to help. The shower is compact, but that's to be expected on a cruise ship. It has a circular base that's great for bathing small children, a handheld shower head and rainfall shower. There are also two retractable washing lines for drying swimwear, as it's not permitted to hang wet clothes out on your balcony. Disney shampoo, conditioner and body wash are all included and they smell amazing. There's also a small ledge which is useful if you like to sit while showering, along with a grab rail and shower curtain. The second bathroom houses a toilet and a second sink, making it much easier for families to get ready at the same time. You'll also find more storage above the toilet, another bin and tissues, plus feminine hygiene disposal bags and a sharps container. Having the bathroom split into two separate spaces is one of our favourite stateroom features, making those busy mornings before heading out for more Disney magic so much easier. As you enter the room, you'll find the wardrobe area with plenty of space to hang your clothes and store any bags. Inside the first wardrobe is a small safe, which I'd recommend using for your passports and other valuables. At the top you'll also find your life jackets. It's worth taking a moment to familiarise yourself with them, but you won't need to wear them unless instructed as part of an emergency. There are plenty of hangers provided too. A little tip: if the sea gets a bit rough and you haven't filled the wardrobe with clothes, push all the empty hangers to one side to stop them rattling together throughout the night. In the second wardrobe you'll find the ladder for the pull-down bunk bed. Don't worry, your stateroom host will set the bed up for you so you don't need to use it yourself. There's also additional hanging space, the remaining life jackets, and if you requested a bed guard, you'll find it stored in here ready for your stateroom host to fit. We had adjoining room, hence the door to the left. As you walk into your stateroom, you'll notice that the bed is raised, which is ideal for storing cases underneath. Honestly, the Disney Cruise Line beds are the comfiest beds I've ever slept in. 5-star plus rating from me. Each bedside has a table with drawers, plug and light switches. One side will have the room phone though, which is a bit frustrating as it takes up quite a bit of space. There are also these gorgeous lampshades, which if you look closely, you can spot the Disney parks locations around the world. You'll notice there's a curtain that divides the stateroom into two separate spaces. It's a great feature if you're travelling with young children who still nap during the day and head to bed before the adults. The only downside is that the TV is on the children's side of the room, so you'll need to keep the curtain open if you want to watch it. Another great feature is that all of the stateroom walls are magnetic, which opens up loads of extra storage possibilities. We brought plenty of magnetic hooks with us and they were an absolute game changer for hanging bags, lanyards and other essentials. We also packed some magnetic puzzles for our son to play with during downtime and early mornings, and even used the walls to display our own celebration banners. The TV is mounted on an adjustable bracket so you can angle it to suit wherever you're sitting in the room. Once you switch it on, you'll find a range of options including live TV channels, Disney movies and shows on demand, information about the ship and your ports of call, and you can even view your Disney PhotoPass photos from the comfort of your room. The Daily Navigator section gives you a full schedule of everything happening on board, making it easy to plan your day and make the most of all the magical activities. Disney On Demand is one of our favourite features with a huge selection of Disney films, TV shows and ship content. If you're hoping to watch the latest Disney releases, you'll find these showing for free on the inboard cinema. There is really something for Disney fans of every age. You'll also find Disney-themed safety videos in the ship videos section if you'd like to take a look, while the TV channels offer a basic selection of news, sport and Disney programming. When you first enter a room, you'll likely find your free Castaway Club members' gifts on your desk or bed, along with your lanyards for your key to the world cards. These will vary depending on your Castaway Club status, and the gifts can vary from ship to ship. You'll also have the option to order additional gifts for the room before you sail, such as cupcakes and snacks or packages. The one shown here is the romance package, which includes the world's softest robes. These are an additional cost and not included for every guest. Inside the top drawer, you'll find some complimentary Disney Cruise Line stationery and postcards, which make a nice memento, along with important contact information and your breakfast room service cards. There is a large mirror and lighting, as well as plug sockets should you need them. There's also a hairdryer included and a heat-proof mat for you to use should you need to use heated hair tools such as straighteners. There's more additional storage and cupboards, helping you keep your stateroom clear and tidy. We bought and stored some additional mugs from home to limit the amount of trips up to the top deck to refill drinks. Plus, there is a fridge to store any items that need cooling under the desk. Our stateroom also included a private balcony, complete with tables and chairs, making it the perfect spot to relax and take in sea views. The sliding balcony door is nice and heavy, making it difficult for small children to open on their own, and there's also a high-mounted child safety lock for extra peace of mind. There is a chair and sofa in the room which pulls out into a single sleep bed, and above that, nestled in the ceiling, is the bunk bed, which will be set up by your stateroom host each evening. And in true Disney style, the ceiling is decorated in a peaceful Disney design to help your little ones drift to sleep. And there you have it. That is your full tour of Stateroom 7110 aboard the Disney Fantasy. If you've enjoyed this video and would like to see more Disney Cruise Line content, including our full Disney Fantasy ship tour, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!